In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Zoho CRM with Outlook 2025. This is an essential task for many professionals who rely on both platforms for managing their customer relationships and emails efficiently. By the end of this guide, you'll have a seamless connection between Zoho CRM and Outlook, making your day-to-day operations smoother. Let's get started by navigating to the home page of your Zoho CRM account. Once you're there, locate the Setup option. This is usually found in the top right corner of your screen. Click on it, and this will direct you to the Settings menu of Zoho CRM, where you can configure various options. Next, within the Setup menu, search for the Email section. The email configuration is where you'll handle everything related to email integration and settings. Click on Email to proceed. When you enter the email configuration page, look for the option to start the integration process and select Get Started. This button is usually prominently displayed to guide you along the setup path. Clicking on it will initiate the process of connecting your Outlook account. Now, find the Outlook option. This specific choice is crucial as it ensures you are linking the correct email service to Zoho CRM. Click on Outlook to move forward. Once you've selected Outlook, you'll see an option to Configure. This option is designed to help you set up the specifics for how these two services will interact. Click on Configure to begin the linking process for your accounts. Upon clicking Configure, it's time to enter your Outlook email address. This step is significant because it establishes the foundation of the integration process. Enter your Outlook email carefully to avoid any errors in linking your accounts. After providing your email, you'll be prompted to click on Next. This action forwards you to Microsoft's login system, where you will verify your credentials. Make sure you're entering your information correctly to keep the process smooth. As you proceed, you'll need to enter your password for verification. This is standard practice for ensuring account security. Once entered, click Next again. This final step will authenticate your accounts and finalize the integration between Zoho CRM and Outlook 2020. By following these steps, you'll have successfully completed the integration. This process not only helps streamline your workflow, but allows for greater organizational synergy by keeping your customer relations data and communications in sync. Make sure to explore other configurations and settings that Zoho CRM offers to further enhance your productivity. Now, enjoy the freedom and convenience of having your Zoho CRM seamlessly connected with Outlook 2020.